Hello everyone, welcome back in another video. This time we're unboxing another package from CNfans. So let's go, let's take a look at it and let's unbox it. Here it is, our huge enormous package ready to be unboxed. So let's dive into it and let's get it unboxed. So here they are, a lot of items. Let's get to it, let's get them unboxed. So viewers, this is how it all looks like. So as you can see, we've got a ton of packages to unbox. So let's get straight to them, let's get them unboxed and let's see what we have exactly in these boxes. So starting off with the first shoes on our list, these are the Nikes. Let's take a look at the package. Looks really well. Adidas on both of the sides, not bad. And these are the Samba Vegan in the size US 6 for girls and UK 5.5. Made in Vietnam, as you can see. And this is how they look like. Just take a glance on it. I'm gonna be honest with you, I like the leather of it. It looks really nice, so beautiful. The shoes itself look quite small, but it's the size US 6, so this is what we can expect. I like this mesh a lot. This is a real cotton, of course. Just take a look at the tongue of the shoes, look nice. Here we also have the label. It says Samba Vegan. We also do have the RFID code here. And on the reverse, we also have these icons. So they say that it's leather, and as you can see, it looks really well. Just like the leather should look like on shoes. Honestly, they look really nice. Take a look at the sole, this is how they look like. You've got these also in here. And the circles and this pattern going across the shoes, so nice. The other pair looks like this. Also, I don't see any of the scuffs and defects. They look nice, they look comfy. Just take a look at the insole here. It says Adidas, the brand with the 3 stripes, so nice, so beautiful. This mesh going across the shoes, also great. Take a look at the logo, embrace it. Here also on the tongue. And yeah, they look nice. Very cool detail is this paper. As you can see, it has the Adidas logo here. Looks cool. Let's take a look at the other shoes. So next up we've got this pretty rubbish looking box. I don't know what happened in package, but it doesn't look too promising, to be honest. Anyways, let's take a look at the shoes. So just like these are also the Samba, so no differences. They look exactly the same. Box is just a little bit more damaged, but besides that, the shoes look nice. I like it a lot. I don't see any damage on the shoes itself. They look nice, they look good. Same thing on the second pair. They look nice, they look cool, they look stylish. Just take a look at the quality of the glue going across the shoes. And the inner part. The brand with 3 stripes. The last Sambas that we have here. This is how they look like, as you can see. Also no defects, maybe this one is a little bit here, but no besides that. There's no defect besides this. All leather, all nice. I like it a lot. And yeah. Check out CNfans for special codes and coupons. Last ones, a little bit different ones. These are the Adidas Campus. As you can see, we have the Chinese signs here. But it's just a sticker, so no problem. And let's take a look at them. We also have the same similar pattern going here with the paper. And now let's take a look at the shoes. So, the Adidas Campus. As you can see, we have the spare shoelaces here. So that's nice of the Adidas that we have them here in the box. So as you can see, they look a bit different compared to the Samba ones. They're very comfy and meshy when it comes to this quality of the shoe, of the ongoing pattern across here. And this is like suede all across the shoes. This is like real suede across the shoes. We can see it just being the suede, and here on the inner part we have these stripes and the shoelaces. They're very thick, I've got to tell you this, but when it comes to the grayish ones, they look a little bit different. They're not as thick as these ones here. Obviously we do have our label like on other shoes there, and we have the code. You can just check this thing out, made in Vietnam. So nice, so beautiful. And I like this sole, I've got to tell you this. It looks nice, it looks beautiful, it looks premium. Take a look at the pattern here around it and the stitching, and this is how the sole looks like. Now continuing with the shoes, we've got something different that you also need for your shoes, especially the Adidas shoes, which are the Nike socks. So yes, we do have the Nike socks. Let's get to them, let's unbox them. Let me show. So, everyday lightweight crew. I got it in a size M, ranging from 38 European up to 42 European. As you can see, you've got them in these 3 packs, like this. And yeah, they look really nice, really good. It's the real cotton, just the same one as you get in the real store. They look amazing. So yeah, this is how they look like. So nice, so beautiful. Take a look at the logo. It's beautiful as well. And lastly, we do have our AirPods. So these are the AirPods Max in a silver color. Let me just unbox them for you. Alright, so this is how it all looks like. So as you can see, we've got our headphones, and let's take a look at them. I'm really interested in testing them out. So here they are, wrapped in this paper. And let's take this thing off real quick. So beautiful. Besides this, we obviously have our Apple manuals, the lightning cable. Let's try connecting them to an iPhone. Got my iPhone here. Let's open up the case. Oh, we've got these marks here. And as you can see straight away on the phone, we've got this message. Let's click on connect. And now we've got to hold on this button here, so let's quickly do it. And just like this, in a matter of seconds, the AirPods are connecting. We do have our Siri set up, so let's click on it. And yeah, let's try the headphones out. More of cold to the touch. It's not like metal, but it's cold to the touch and it looks nice. The buttons are high quality. We also have this crown, and it works pretty well. You can obviously change this thing, and yeah, it looks cool. The mesh is also very nice, it looks pretty well. Here on the sides we do have the microphones, and yeah. Okay, now let's take these off. And as you can see, they connect magnetically. And this is how the inside of them look like. The volume button works, and Jesus, this active noise cancellation really works. I can definitely hear myself much different now. And yeah, let's play some music. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. So I've got to tell you that this quality of the sound is really good. It's not much different compared to the real AirPods. Of course, these are much cheaper, and of course they won't be as great as the real headphones from Apple, but they're really close as for this price. And yeah, they're really nice. Okay folks, so that's pretty much it as for today's video. If you have any questions regarding CNfans, please let me know in the comment section. I will answer you for sure. And if you want to see more videos like this, please comment and leave the like under this video. If you want the links to these items, if you want to sign up for free on CNfans, please check out the links in the description. You can find all the details down there in the description. Thank you a lot and see you in the next video. Bye!